time.
I was really inspired to get involved to canvas for Zohran because of his message about affordability. People, I think, dismiss affordability as a catchphrase or as a political phrase, but ultimately it gets to the heart of so many things that are challenging for people, not only in medicine, but at home. If you cannot afford to pay rent, if you cannot afford your down payment or your co-payment or your deductible, anything that's financially burdensome to you, then you can't afford to go to the doctor and get care when you need it. And when that happens, everybody suffers, and that fundamental problem is something we have to solve, and that's why I was so motivated to help Zohran get elected. Have you voted yet? Are you considering supporting Zohran?
I want to, but I haven't changed my address yet.
Oh, it's too late.
I think it's too
But
late.
Do you still want to? You want
Sure.
one of these?
Yeah.
For good time's sake.
Yeah.
Anyway.
Because I don't think, right? Like, I think I was like trying to read online that like.
You could have done it a few days ago. 25th was the last day.
Oh, so good to meet you too.
There are about 20% of New Yorkers that don't have access to preventative care. And we know that if the pandemic taught us anything, it's that these broken systems perpetuate continued disparities and broken families. In addition to that, we know that with the One Big Beautiful Bill that passed, 700,000 New Yorkers are going to lose access to Medicaid. All of these things combined get back to the affordability issue. Human-driven impact. I think what makes me all 250 of us motivated is that it's more than a statistic, it's more than a number, it's a human life, it's a family, and when we can change that one life, we help everybody. Are you considered voting for Zohran? No? Okay. Do you work over at Bellevue?
I'm sorry?
Do you work over here at Bellevue?
Yes.
Are you considering voting for Mamdani? I can talk to you about why we're supporting. There's a group of 250 healthcare workers at Bellevue and at NYU trying to support him because of his affordability issues. So,
All right,
thanks.
thank you so
Yeah.
much.
Back in 2023, I became one of the 50 Americans to ever receive the U.S. Surgeon General's Medallion. Dr. Murthy, the Surgeon General at the time, recognized a group of 6 people and organizations that had an impact on public health. And it was an incredible honor. It was the honor of my life. And working with him to help advance the public health of our country is something that I will always always be so grateful for.
I'm so grateful that you have taken that grief and turned it into an incredible motivation to fighting for our health workers, for our colleagues in the front line.
It was an incredible honor and one that reminds me that giving back and paying it forward doesn't stop with a ceremony or a graduation or a job. It's something that you hopefully can do forever and make a difference. Canvassing has actually been really welcoming. People, I think, that come to New York are told they're not a very friendly city, but it's actually a very friendly city. And meeting people, talking to them, getting to know them, it made me realize that we share so much more than we think, and that these challenges that we face are something that we can tackle together. We work in clinics and hospitals, and we're trying to focus on affordability because we know that over 78% of our patients can't afford. Hi, have you considered voting yet? No? My grandfather served, his brother served in the military, And service and paying it forward and second chances and never giving up on your dreams was something that they instilled in me. And I hope that for my father and everyone like him in that generation that saw such darkness but so much hope at the same time in the 1960s, that people that are getting involved to help elect better representatives of our vision of what America can be, it makes them proud, I hope. If we can do anything, it's electing someone who truly cares about affordability, that makes childcare accessible, transportation accessible, because if people can finally get ahead, they can have the chance to take care of their families. And one of the most heartbreaking things that we've all seen is someone who just cannot get enough time or energy or money together to get what they deserve, care they deserve. And we hope that when Zohran's mayor, that he can help us all do that for everyone that deserves care in the city. I think that a lot of people talk about what can make America great, what can make the city great, what can make America healthy. And if there's anything that we can do, it's making sure that people can get the care they deserve. 78% of New Yorkers struggle to afford their rent and their prescriptions and their care. If we can create a city that allows everyone to afford everything they need, the basic necessities, that will make America and make the city great.